Efren Bata Reyes, titira.
Full of the moxie.
Good job!
Napakagandang counter shot ang ginawa ni Bata.
But one
Walang
of the
kita,
most geniusical
pero
geniuses.
di problema kay Bata.
Perfect.
And look at the results!
Umuulan po ng mga magic shot dito mga kabilyarista. Efren Bata, mag-aating ng isang bank shot. Tignan natin.
هكر يا جماعة لو انتبهتوا لحركاته.
Ito ang pinakamatindi. May harang sa bola cue ball. Napakanipis na tira. Presto! Efren Bata Reyes para sa isang reverse pectus para sa napakagandang preparation. Perfect!
Nice.
Coming up sharpish.
Tindakan lang yan eh.
Napakanipis na pina para kay Bata. Presto!
Kung magaling ang tsamba mo, malakas eh.
He knows he should have won this match, Sid. He had more chances than he needed to win it. The balls are so nicely placed for Efren. He's just looking, he's just not right. And his heart's going boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, boom, boom. Into the cushion alley. So, to put the end to Efren!
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
World Number Championship Race 9.
Thanks, Dave. All about the break. That could be very significant in this match if Nick Vandenberg is to have any shot of beating the Great Reyes.
Efren Bata po ang nanalo sa lag. Ang rule po dito ay winner breaks po. Ito. Si Efren Bata po ang magbe-break sa unang rock. Wala pong pumasok sa break ng Efren Bata. Si Nick Vandenberg mga kabilyarista, isang napakagaling naman na laro from Dutch, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Siya po ay pinanganak noong May 24, 1980. At 6-time, ano po itong si Nick po mga kabilyarista. 6-time winner ng European Pool Championship. At multiple, ano po, winner din po siya sa Euro Tour. Sa Efren Bata po dito mga kabilyarista ay nasa 48 years old po si Efren Bata sa time na to, 2003, turning to 49 si Efren Bata po dito mga kabilyarista. At 23 years old lang po dito si Nick Vandenberg. Unang rack po para kay Efren Bata Reyes. Rack 2, Efren on break. Race 9 po to mga kabilyarista. So, cue ball scratch, ball in hand kay Nick Vandenberg. Labanan po ito ng 23 years old versus turning to 49 years old na si Efren Bata Reyes. So, kalakasan pa po na Efren Bata dito mga kabilyarista. Pero tingnan nyo po mga kinakalaban niya, talaga mga bigating manlalaro ng mga European country. Kasi narito din si Nick Vandenberg, 23 years old, pinagmamalaki ng Netherlands, aiming for his combination 4-9, successful. 1-all na po ang score mga kabilyarista. Rack number 3, Nick Vandenberg magbe-break.
Try and show itself and come to the fore here. 1-1. 23-year-old Dutchman with a massive support here in action.
May bolang pumasok pero nakatago ang bola 2. May nakaharang na bola 5 para kay Nick, so magpo-push out po siya. Nag-iisip po sa Efren Bata Reyes kung titirahin ba niya to o ibabalik kay Nick. So binigyan niya po ang pagkakataon na si Nick po ang titira sa bola 2. Isang safety shot ang pinakawalan ni Nick Vandenberg. Efren Bata Reyes para gamitin ang rail para patamaan ang bola 2. Hindi po nakuha pero napakaganda po ang ginawa ni Efren Bata. Counter safety shot po ang ginawa ni Efren Bata Reyes mga kabilyarista.
Cushion aggression. Well, he got it, but it's looking mighty sweet. No, in fact, it isn't. That 5 blocks the pocket, so this is where you expect to see Efren Reyes show a little extra. And he's just slightly overhit this sit. It was a great attempt than Efren wanted. That cue ball over on that cushion. Now this may not look available, but the cushion into the knuckle. That's right. It's about 5% of the ball there. He might hit. You know about that?
Napakaganda po ang ginawang tira ni Nick Vandenberg mga kabilyarista.
I don't know whether or not he has.
Pero alanganin po ang situation dito. Sinipat po niya maigi. Gagamit po ng jump cue jump cue stick si Nick Vandenberg sa pagkakataon to. Tignan natin mga kabilyarista. Tinamaan niyo po ito pero open shot para kay Efren Bata Reyes. Isang napakanipis na pina. Pero sinaming unfortunately cubble scratch po at bowling kay Nick Vandenberg. Chance po ni Nick Vandenberg para sungkitin ang kalamangan sa rack number 3. May possible combination na po dito para sa 7-9 mga kabilyarista. Tignan lang natin kung anong gagawin po ni Nick Vandenberg ng Netherlands. Rising star Nick Vandenberg, 23 years old. Laban po sa ating pambato na si Efren Bata Reyes, 2003 World 9-Ball Championship. Nagawan po ng paraan ni Nick Vandenberg para sa preparation sa ball number 7. So kailangan niya pong patrasin ang bola dito, ang cue ball, para sa isang napakagandang preparation for ball number 9. Pero tignan natin. Cue ball scratch po mga kabilyarista. Medyo minalas si Nick Vandenberg. Ball in hand kay Efren Bata Reyes para makuha niya po ang kanyang pangalawang panalo. 2-1 na po ang score mga kabilyarista. Efren Bata Reyes lamang po ng isang rack number 4, at sa Efren po ang magbe-break.
Nick Vandenberg is going to have to try and do. He should have been 2-1 in front, and if not, he would have been.
May pumasok po na bola sa break ni Efren Bata. Puro may nakaharang na bola para sa ball number 1. Efren Bata Reyes magpo-push out. Isang safety shot ang inattempt ni Nick Vandenberg pero napasobrang lakas. Efren Bata Reyes para side ball, bola 1. Napakaganda po ang tirang na Efren Bata, pero may problema sa bola 2. May kuha, tignan natin. Kailangan perfect ang tira. Sumayad po sa bola 6. Napatawa po sa Efren Bata Reyes at isang napakagandang safety shot ang ginawa ni Nick Vandenberg dito. Tingnan natin ang galing ni Efren Bata Reyes kung paano patamaan ang bola 2. So intentional foul na lang po ang ginawa ni Efren Bata Reyes para itago ang bola 4 or rather say bola 3 para hindi po maubos ni Nick Vandenberg ang lahat ng mga bola sa lamesa at magkaroon po siya ng chance na makatira uli. Nick Vandenberg, kailangan ma-break niya po ang bola 4 at bola 2 at bola 4, pero hindi po matamaan ni Nick Vandenberg, so kailangan niyang mag-safety shot uli dito. Napaganda po ang ginawa ni Vandenberg. Dito mapapalaban sa Efren Bata Reyes sa kanyang magic shot, sa kanyang galing sa real kick shot. Tinamaan po ni Efren Bata. Palakpakan po ang mga tao po, mga kabilyarista. Isang napakagandang counter attack ang ginawa ni Efren Bata Reyes. So nabaliktad po ang pagkakataon. Nagawan pa rin po ni Nick Vandenberg ng paraan, pero chance for Efren Bata Reyes. Nagamitin ng reel para makuha ang bola 4. Open pa po. Chance for Efren Bata Reyes para dagdagan ang kanyang kalamangan. Tingnan natin. Napakaganda po. Medyo kinapos po ng konti. Efren Bata Reyes for safety shot. Pero open shot para kay Nick Vandenberg. Magdalanganin ng konti ito Efren Bata Reyes, open shot na sa kanya. Presto ang kanyang preparation sa bola 6.
The 6 here, Sid. Lay the cue ball down to the bottom part of the cushion.
Ginamit pa rin po ang banda.
Develop the 9 ball, handle in on anywhere on the table.
Ball number 7 for Efren Bata Reyes.
Last not. Little glitch in the touch. Didn't notice. Significant.
Medyo mahina po.
You want to know that she's on the run there. You've
Too slow.
very simple draw
Ang
shot.
tama po ni Efren Bata.
To within 2 feet.
Pero hindi po problema sa magician ng mga ganitong pagkakataon.
Again, to
Talagang
the 9. This was easily in from
nasa
an
peak
angle.
ng kanyang
This is 3-1.
lalo si Efren Bata Reyes. Mga ganong tiray baliwala sa kanya. 3-1 na po ang score mga kabilyarista. Turak na po ang 2 racks na po ang kalamangan ni Efren Bata Reyes. At siya muli ang break sa rack number 5.
Sid, I would have bet my life that he was going to draw that cue ball back and then there.
Open ang bola 1.
Stop rolling so sweetly for him.
The pace that he hit that, Sid, to only draw back a couple inches.
Well, what do they say about football teams who can win games when they're playing bad?
Medyo may problema po sa bola 6 sa bola 7.
It's about how good your foreplay is. Can you survive when you're struggling?
Where it's win or break.
Nagkadikit-dikit lang po sila mga kabilyarista. Ito po ang kailangan gawan ni Efren Bata ng paraan.
The right hand side.
Kailangan niyang i-break. Kundi kayo magkaroon siya ng magandang preparation sa bola 5
Off the two side cushions.
for a possible win to this rack number 5.
Well,
This goes by the
Medyo
9,
napakapal
judging
po
by
ng
Efren's
konti ang
reaction.
tama doon sa bola
One,
bola 5 at umarang po ang bola 9.
might have tried to get
Possible
back
combination for Efren Bata Reyes. Tignan natin. Bank shot ang kanyang ginawa. Sakul.
beautiful. Now take note, not only the fact that he made this,
Ibang klase po talaga. Sakto pang preparation sa ball number 6.
Reyes is
Efren Bata Reyes aiming for his fourth win in this match.
right? Some guy fighting vile. Some master.
Official score 4-1 na po mga kabilyarista. Lamang na po ng tatlo sa Efren Bata Reyes. Rack number 6 na po tayo.
See a deficit appear, one that he can't
Efren
let
on
grow.
break.
On the word, you people watching it is bound to sharpen up the act, and this lad knows it.
Hindi po makapaniwala si Nick Vandenberg sa nangyayari ngayon.
Action on the color.
Hindi po niya inasahan na gano'n ang magiging sitwasyon.
This one passes.
Dry break. Chance ni Nick po para
Affords better position.
tapyasin ang kalamangan ni Efren Bata Reyes.
Really didn't want to be having a quick look to see if that free glide pocket.
Expecting to get the good experience.
No problem pa rin kay Nick Vandenberg.
Go the 4 with a nice angle to be able to go up table for the 5.
Open is queuing. Chief
Perfect ang tira ni Nick.
coming up.
Ball number 4 na po.
Both done in faster. And Amsterdam.
Sure, there are many times in Nick Vandenberg's career
Possible win na po to kay Nick Vandenberg. Kalat na po ang mga bola mga kabilyarista.
really put the former
Isa rin
world
po itong
champion
napakagaling na manlalaro ng Netherlands.
Colorful bunch. Top hats. National flags. Must be gone from his neck.
6-time European Pool champion po ito mga kabilyarista.
So there's bound to be negative contact. If you don't break, you get going. You know about the clearing up here, though.
Ball number 7, aiming for his second win, Nick Vandenberg.
Foot. The rail. With the 9's on. The draw.
cue ball again, a lot closer to that corner.
Absolutely, a foot too far. 2 or 3 degrees out in handle, but he shouldn't worry.
4-2 na po ang score mga kabilyarista.
Vandenberg will be breaking in rack number 7 to try and erase this.
Rack number 7,
All set to break now in
Nick
rack number 7.
on break.
The Netherlands 5-3 up there against Fu on the mezzanine.
May pumasok na bola.
Bank that one off the side cushion, down into the middle of the table, and run with the cue ball in behind.
Possible bank shot po for number 1. Pero mas pinili niya pong
Well,
gumawa ng isang safety shot. Efren Batar Reyes using the rail.
trying to reply to the snooker with a snooker, but
Nice shot for Efren Batar Reyes. Napakaganda po ang ginawa ni Nick Vandenberg. Chance for him to win this rack again. Kalat po ang mga bola.
Said it already, but if Vandenberg ever starts to find his wings in this match,
Ginamit na po ang bola sa ace.
the great said,
Ball number
no
3.
problems right now for Nick. From not being able to knock these sort in.
Apat na lang bolang naiiwan sa table ngayon.
the line of clothes. That's her ambitions is to wear the world crown.
Napakagaling po ang ginawa ni Nick Vandenberg. Isang kontra. Counter, isa pong ano po yun. Kontra pectos.
Down the side of Z.
Medyo napalakas. So, okay pa rin, no problem. Nick Vandenberg for his third win.
Availability. Goal line of fourth break.
40 na po ang score mga kabilyarista. Mahabol po itong si Nick Vandenberg ng Netherlands. Rack number 8.
Top dogs at this with good Americans.
May pumasok na bola at open po ang ball number 1 para kay Nick.
Just with Nick Man's chair, better suited.
Kalat ang mga bola mga kabilyarista. Sa tingin ko magiging 4-all ito mga kabilyarista. Nick Vandenberg, 23 years old,
Handle the pressure as well as anyone, and certainly
6-time European champion
one of the game's real pressure cookers.
at multiple winners sa Europol,
Cooled his heels. Cool dude for 4 days.
aiming for his fourth win on this match.
Held high the trophy. Nicely weaved that shot.
Beautifully controlled.
Perfect.
He had to avoid
Preparation niya.
This is going to be 4-4. What a battle heating up here in Cardiff. Vandenberg's pace is, just get the feeling he's starting to fancy.
4-all na po ang score mga kabilyarista.
Vandenberg and Efren Reyes. The closer he gets to that finish line, just watch those Dutch fans.
Bumalik na po ang kumpiyansa ni Nick Vandenberg ng Netherlands. Rack 9.
Look at the difference in the breaks in Reyes and Vandenberg.
Dalawang bola ang pumasok.
Looking on with it. Good stay under company. 23.
Open ang bola 1 para sa isang napakapinipis na pina. Tignan natin. Nag-attempt po ng safety shot si Nick dito pero bad shot po mga kabilyarista at cue ball in hand for Efren Batar Reyes. Medyo matagal-tagal na napaupo si Efren Batar Reyes doon mga kabilyarista. Round 3-1, ginawang 4-all ni Nick Vandenberg ang score. Race 9 lang po ito mga kabilyarista. Efren Batar Reyes for ball number 5.
The great players now to 4-4. Is he going to be able to raise his game and answer the bell?
Perfect.
Verily, could be just the starting bell for the Reyes magic to kick in and swoop.
Ball na number 8 na po para kay Efren Bata Reyes for his 5th win this match.
A stop shot. With his eyes shut.
Efren Bata Reyes
Under the cue, left down.
for his 5th win. 5-4 po ang score mga kabilyarista.
Missed the yellow one ball.
Rack 10 na po tayo mga kabilyarista. Efren break.
A run to the victory line. Win at the break format. 9 nearly went down. Just bobbled on the corner.
Nothing down for Reyes, though. This has been the storyline. They lock horns. Easy to catch more flies with honey than with vinegar.
Push out kay Nick Vandenberg.
Double match there. Interesting coming up. Later run. Davis against Takahashi. Takahashi. Shamat. One up. Could be an outsider for the title. Sukai will play Yan.
Just have to play this shot again from the push out.
Looking to take right into the ball between
Perfect po ang ginawa ni Nick po na safety shot
from that angle.
sa Efren Bata Reyes.
Colors that you see now, but he's going to come off this cushion. He wants to try
Kailangan
and get
gumamit ng rail para patama ng bola
the
uno.
side of that one and bring the cue ball back down. Just like that.
Medyo mahina po.
Buying himself a bit of time.
Perfect po sana pag malakas ng konti.
Shot, and I think that the escape this time, you really can't see Vandenberg going to ball.
Nick Vandenberg.
Three, to hold
Open
the
pa ang bola
behind the
uno.
7.
Safety shot po ang kanyang ginawa pero malapalakas po.
Top cushion.
Oh, perfect pa rin po. Kailangan na Efren Bata na gumamit dito ng ano,
Very near the 6 too.
ng mase or yan, rail kick shot na lang po ang ginawa na Efren Bata Reyes with machine shot.
Goes away to give himself the best chance.
Good shot for Efren Bata Reyes. May nakaharang na bola 4 sa bola 1.
For an aggressive safety in return. That was hard work. No doubt about it. It was just never between the two.
Which one?
We'll pick one.
Sa namang safety shot ang pinakawalan ni Nick Vandenberg.
Would have liked. Nick may be able to masse around this.
And after contact is the white got to get somewhere near the green.
Efren Bata Reyes.
Wall of balls that you made well. Perfectly called by Jim.
Successful pa rin ang kanyang ginawang patama.
It's good.
So si Nick Vandenberg pa lang patama ng mga kabilyarista. So Efren Bata Reyes sumagot ng isang safety shot din.
Didn't get the cue ball behind the 4 as he desired to escape for Vandenberg.
Straight na straight po to. So
Provided better options. He's going to try to swerve this off one. Tougher hit.
Nick Vandenberg
Has he been lucky?
success po ang kanyang ginawang patama sa bola 1.
Rather than a Rudyard Kipling. And now to the brain of the players. One goal.
Efren Bata Reyes.
I wasn't sure that was it.
Napakaganda po ng kanyang pina na yon.
Efren can maneuver that cue the same side of the table as he's bridging now. B9 will be his plan of attack, and that's exactly what he's going to be
Pasok
looking
ba? Okay pa rin. Perfect pa rin ang kanyang preparation. Possible combination for 3 to 9. To make it the score 6-4 na po mga kabilyarista. Sumagot po ng dalawang rack agad si Efren Bata Reyes. 6-4 na po ang score. Rack 11 na po tayo.
He has had no success from the right-hand
Pumasok
side.
po ang bola 1.
Side, and that one went straight.
Efren Bata Reyes, ball number 2.
Look at the position.
Pasok pa rin.
7-4. Block on the other foot now. Not the judgment.
Napakagaling po ang ginawa na Efren Bata Reyes.
Because he's going to run cue ball away from that side cushion.
Some very big, very talented talented Niels Reyes. Respected player in the world.
Just trying to get over a little further. It looks like he's gonna have to. Well, a lot of body movement
Efren
there.
Bata Reyes aiming for his 7th win.
Vintage Reyes. He often makes mistakes by over imagination. It's not the case today.
Napakagaling po talaga nitong si Efren Bata. Perfect lahat ang kanyang preparation. Smooth na smooth po ang tira na Efren Bata Reyes.
This time,
Ball number 9.
7-4.
7-4 na po ang score mga kabilyarista. Sinagot naman po ni Efren Bata Reyes ng 3 rack again. 3 na naman ang kalamangan na Efren Bata Reyes.
Reyes.
Rack number 12 na po tayo.
If Reyes at that tune, Vandenberg may not be getting out of his chair too often.
That's the twin brothers in arms. The ones in dire straits.
Walang pumasok.
In. Start the
Nick
action.
Vandenberg.
Simple looking one.
Open shot ang bola 9. Tignan natin ang kanyang gagawin.
Serious, heavy hitting now. Stroke, when it breaks. Nice break.
Smooth na smooth po ang kanyang tira.
Stretching. And look at how long that bridge is on the 3. All he could do is poke
Wala
that
pa rin
one in.
problema para kay Nick Vandenberg. Aiming for his 5th win. Ball number 6 na po.
On the green, straight-ish on the green, but I think he's got enough between it and the 9 to do a simple draw. Yeah, simple draw and push.
Perfect shot.
Drift. Cue ball. And the drift. Push if he wants. He's addressing it. Shot into the cush. Perfect draw. Doesn't want to go for it near the edge to give himself.
Nick Vandenberg for his 5th win. Save. Pumalpak po mga kabilyarista. Grabe. Napaka-easy shot. Tingnan natin sa slow-mo. Manipis po ang tira ni Nick Vandenberg.
Simple 9.
Use the club shot rather than the glass slipper. What a mess. The mess of an he's actually
Pwede pala itong mangyari. Sakit sa ulo. Efren Bata Reyes.
unbelievable.
Masyadong manipis.
One feather cut that just fell apart.
In the end,
7-5 na po ang score mga kabilyarista.
Vandenberg.
May chance pa rin po itong si Nick Vandenberg. Rack number 13. Grabe po ang mga miss na yon. Easy shot para kay Nick Vandenberg. Napanipis naman po ni Efren Bata Reyes.
I'm anxious to see how he's playing. Now that the Dutch revolution continues, it gets on. Thanks a lot. Back to you, Sid.
The half ball slice right. And the rest of the ball is ooh. That was clumsy.
Well, it was far from easy though, Sid, to be
Oh
fair.
yes, the Cuban was
Open shot for Efren Bata Reyes.
and here is it made
Palpak po ang ginawang safety shot ni Nick Vandenberg doon.
From which they can really build any confidence or momentum, has there?
given this layout.
Has to get that cue ball into an area. Gonna have to travel all the way back down from the 5 to the 6. It's gonna be a
Medyo
draw
may
shot,
problema lang po
Sid.
si Efren Bata Reyes
Side
dito.
cushion.
Sa ball number 7 at saka ball number 9. Magkadikit po.
With a fly left cue, straight as a die when it comes through.
Medyo alanganin po ang ginawang tira na Efren Bata sa kanyang preparation.
Yeah, you'd have thought.
The Maestro Reyes Archer match. I know you commented
Masyadong
on it
manipis.
yesterday.
Safety shot siguro to.
A lot better than put Johnny Archer over the turn.
Certainly did.
Oh,
And there, another mistake from Reyes.
sasagutin sigurado ni Nick Vandenberg to ng isang safety shot na alanganin. Pero parang may kuha yata.
Might be able
May possible na makuha ang bola sa ace.
I think you're right there. From the top shot, it's simple safety.
Dinalawa pa. So Nick Vandenberg, ito 6 win, 7-6 na po ang score mga kabilyarista.
Vandenberg was looking at pocketing that 6.
Rack number 14,
He knows he's got his opponent on the edge of a cliff right now, and if Nick Vandenberg can get to 7-7, I fear the worst.
ito pa ng ball 1 para kay Nick Vandenberg. Chance niyo po ito para may tablang score.
But it's one thing to get to the finish line, isn't it, Sid? It's another to get over it. Beautiful thing, though, for
Nick Vandenberg nagmamadali para sa kanyang 7th win.
Reyes goes out, and I'm not getting ahead of myself. Vandenberg
It's gonna be a possible 7-all mga kabilyarista. Yan na po. Ball number 6.
Just to remind everyone, after the round robin stages, all 64 qualifiers in the round robins, and the bottom half was stacked. Suke, Yang, Archer was there, Reyes,
Nick Vandenberg,
Bustamante.
make it officially 7-all mga kabilyarista. 7-all na po ang score. Umiinit po ang stadium po mga kabilyarista. Rack number 15 na po tayo.
On rack 15.
Gumaganda po ang laro. Kanina ang laki ng lamang ni Efren Bata Reyes.
4 tables in play.
Open shot for Efren Bata Reyes para makauna sa hill, pero napalakas po ang kanyang tira. Bad shot po para kay Efren Bata Reyes. Chance for Nick Vandenberg mga kabilyarista na masungkit ang kalamangan.
Everything is in the open.
Medyo minamalas po yata dito si Magician mga kabilyarista. 7-all mga kabilyarista. Race to 9 po ito. So may init po ang laro.
He's disgusted with his performance here.
Everybody in pool said it had a hot.
Everybody in pool.
Mukhang mauuna po yata dito si Nick Vandenberg ng Netherlands na makarating sa hill.
On the cusp of one of the biggest victories of his position to the 5. Oh, it's not the way he wanted, but it's not bad.
Medyo alanganin po ang tirang to.
Play.
Ito po ang pinakapinan na tira. Tignan natin.
Right now.
Suwabe pa rin po mga kabilyarista. Napakagaling din po talaga nitong si Nick Vandenberg, 23 years old ng Netherlands. Nagmamadali po Nick Vandenberg mga kabilyarista.
When the finish line nears, his fate is in his own hands. He couldn't have asked for it.
Perfect pa rin ang kanyang preparation. Nick Vandenberg, pagkakataon niya pong makalamang. 8-7 na po mga kabilyarista. Napakagandang laro to. Rack 16. Umiinit po ang estadyo mga kabilyarista. Grabe po ang laro. Pasok na naman po ang 3 bola. Pero may pagkaalanganin po ang bola 1 dito mga kabilyarista. Ay, pasok yata ang bola 2 dito. Pasok din ang 1. So open shot ang bola 2. Nakulo po, Diyos ko. Kalat na kalat ang mga bola mga kabilyarista. Nasa hill na po si Nick Vandenberg. Aiming for
His nerves.
ball number 3. Pasok pa rin.
Not hard enough. A little short of ideal. Two angles.
Ball
and
number
Alex
4 na po
Leo.
tayo mga kabilyarista.
He pull his countrymen through to the last 16 to join him.
Pasok pa rin. Yan po. Medyo pumalpak po ang kanyang preparation. Buhay pa rin po ang ating magician na sa Efren Battle Reyes mga kabilyarista. Muntik na yun ah. Open shot for Efren Battle Reyes. This gonna be a heel match. Medyo alanganin to ha. Grabe. Umiinit ang estadyo mga kabilyarista. Nabuhay ang magic. 8-all po mga kabilyarista. Efren Battle Reyes on the last rack. Rack 17. Wala pong pumasok. Napakamot po sa Efren Battle Reyes. Nick Vandenberg for a safety shot. Open shot for Efren Battle Reyes. Chance po na gumawa rin po siya ng safety shot. Tingnan natin. Wow. Open shot po ang ginawa ni Efren Battle Reyes na binigay kay Nick Vandenberg. Straight na straight. Muntik nang sumamang cue ball. Long shot for Nick Vandenberg. Tiba din talaga ng pulso ng batang to. Pasok pa rin. Pero mukhang straight to mga kabilyarista. Kailangan pong magawin ng parang niya ang bola 4. Efren Battle Reyes waiting for his turn. Naku po. So medyo mahina po ang ginawa niyang yon. So isa battle ba safety shot po to. Alanganin po ang ginawa ni Nick Vandenberg. Kailangan niyang gumamit ng reels. Successful naman ang kanyang ginawa pero ibibigay niya pa kay Efren Battle Reyes. Chance for Efren Battle Reyes. Open shot po mga kabilyarista. Efren Battle Reyes, 48 years old in this time. Umiinit po ang tako ni Efren Battle Reyes. Ball number 6 na po. Perfect shot for Efren Battle Reyes for ball number 6. Easy shot for ball number 7. Nabitin pa. Grabe. No problem. Efren Battle Reyes. Pinainit po na Efren Battle Reyes. Winner Efren Battle Reyes. Thank you so much mga kabilyarista. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga panonood at don't forget to subscribe po sa aking channel, Sardan TV.